Sometimes in life, you have a day that's a bit better than most. This was one of those days. We were in Ireland. There were times it was so beautiful it scarcely looked real. Like something from another world or a painting. The place we stayed over Easter weekend was a little house looking out towards the mountains. There were flowers and Easter decorations that we bought for a few euros. And on Good Friday, we had cheese. I started my day off with a bath filled with a special seaweed that we'd foraged from the seashore. You make the bath almost like it's tea, letting hot water run over the seaweed so that it steeps out all its goodness. It makes you feel like a mermaid. Later in the day, we made a cheese board. One cheese was made with pepper dulse, a seaweed that tastes of truffles and garlic. Another made with red dulse, a seaweed that's been harvested for thousands of years in Ireland. Then we put out some butter and salted it with sea flakes from Alcohol Island. And finally, we made a wheel of melted Camembert. We cut some slits into the top of the cheese, which we filled with slivers of garlic. We then topped the cheese with fresh rosemary and a generous drizzle of honey. I kept myself occupied while the cheese baked. We added a bit more honey and some flaky salt. Sometimes in life, you have a day that's a bit better than most, and having a wheel of melted cheese certainly helps.